So yeah, I figured I'm just gonna see how the white looks, but if it doesn't really turn out, I'm gonna put the stencil back on and do a red coat. Right now, I'm just gonna heat treat this with my blow dryer. There's other ways you can do it if you bought a heat press. That's like a Pacific thing to use for doing t-shirts, hats, clothing. But so far, all I have is a blow dryer. I was told you can do this for blow dryer for 20 minutes, and then it should be heat treated, and it should be safe to put in the washer. Thank you.